Hey everyone, I'm Rohan from One Stop Solution, and in this video, I will show you how to avoid having your Twitter account hacked. Protecting your account with safety measures can prevent unauthorized access and keep your information safe. So, let's get started on how to secure your Twitter account from hackers. Start by opening the Twitter app on your device. Now, tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Then, tap on the Settings and Support to open a drop-down menu. In the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. Now, tap on Settings and Account Access. Tap on Security. Enable the two-factor authentication 2FA to add an extra layer of protection. Choose either text message, authentication app or security key as your second authentication method. Now, turn on password reset protection. Enter your password when prompted and confirm. Once activated, your account will be fully protected. And that's how you can secure your Twitter account from being hacked. Thank you for watching One Stop Solution. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment below if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss our upcoming videos.